Tip 1. Baked eggs. First, I prepare 2 heat-resistant glass jars. Placing the egg separator over the mouth of each jar, I carefully crack 2 fresh eggs into each jar, being gentle so as not to break the yolks. Then, I gently shake the separator to separate the yolks. I pour the yolks into 2 small bowls. For the egg whites, I first grate a small amount of cheese. Then add the grated cheese into each glass jar. Then I season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Before adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Finally, I use a fork to whisk everything together until the ingredients are fully combined and the egg whites become slightly fluffy. Once done, I carefully pour the egg yolks into the glass jars, making sure they sit neatly on top of the whipped egg whites. Now, I carefully place the 2 cups into the oven, ready for baking. Finally, I bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. While waiting, I prepared 1 tortilla and 3 sausages. I placed 1 sausage on each of the 3 sides of the tortilla, rolled the edges in about 1 to 2 times so the tortilla hugged the sausages tightly, and then secured them with bamboo toothpicks. I did the same with the remaining 2 sides. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Once finished, we'll have a triangular base with a border formed by the sausages. Next, I dice 3 cherry tomatoes. And place them in the hollow center of the tortilla. I dice half a sausage. And place it on top of the cherry tomatoes. To make the dish even more flavorful, I grate a little cheese on top. Then, I gently crack a fresh egg into the center, trying to keep the yolk intact so the finished dish will look more appealing when baked. By this time, the first dish has finished baking, so I remove the glass jar from the oven. And place the second dish inside. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. As for the eggs in the glass jar, be sure to remove them very carefully because they're still very hot inside. The fluffy egg whites beautifully envelop the yolks, and there you have it, a soft, creamy, and incredibly delicious baked egg dish. After another 15 minutes, the second dish has turned a golden brown, the cheese has melted, and the egg whites are fully cooked. Cut into it while it's still hot, and you'll experience the light, crispy crust, the flavorful sausage, and the rich, creamy cheese blending perfectly with the soft, smooth egg yolk right in the center. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 3. Sandwich. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Season them with salt and black pepper. Then whisk everything together until well combined. Next, I prepare 4 slices of bread and spread 1/2 tablespoon of mayonnaise evenly over each slice. I place a slice of ham on 2 of the bread slices. Grate 70 grams of cheese over the ham. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then cover them with the remaining slices to make 2 sandwiches. Now, I place a skillet on the stove, add a small amount of butter, and let it melt over low heat. While the butter is melting, I dip each sandwich into the egg mixture, making sure every side is evenly coated. Then I place the sandwiches in the skillet and cook over low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the bottom is golden brown, I carefully flip them over and continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes until both sides are crispy and the cheese inside has completely melted. When they're perfectly golden and crispy, I transfer the sandwiches to a serving plate. The crispy golden crust, melted cheese, and creamy tangy sauces make this simple breakfast absolutely irresistible. Drizzle them with sweet chili sauce, and they're ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.